How to add more friends to Snapchat shortcut. Follow these steps. Initially launch the Snapchat app on your device. From the camera screen, tap on the chat icon at the bottom. This takes you to the chat screen where you can see the recent conversation. Now at the top of the chat screen, you will see different tabs. Swipe through the tab until you reach the new option. Click on it to proceed. Here you will see a list of existing shortcuts. If you don't have any shortcut yet, create one by tapping on the new shortcut. However, if you already have an existing shortcut, select it. Furthermore, scroll through your list of friends or use the search bar at the top to find the specific friend. Click on their name to add them to the shortcut. A check mark will appear next to the selected friend. After selecting all your friends you want to add, hit the save button at the bottom of the screen. Your updated shortcut is now ready to use, and that's how to add more friends to Snapchat shortcut.